Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties and I'm excited to show you my new listing. Welcome to 6519 Sandy Point Court in Rancho Palos Verdes. This is a beautiful 2-level, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath property that's got some really good upgrades. You get your entrance here with a beautiful chandelier and your hardwood flooring laminate throughout. There's carpet in some of the bedrooms. Isn't that pretty? Dining area here. Looking out onto the balcony, you do get a Catalina Island view out in the distance there, as well as, you know, some sports courts and a tennis court and a pool. Good sized room here, recessed lighting, crown molding. On through into our kitchen area, beautifully upgraded. Gorgeous countertops and backsplash, double pane windows, stainless steel appliances. This area has a family room attached to it and plantation shutters, and you have a backyard balcony as well with stairs that go down to the lower yard. All the built-ins and everything, it's really nice. Big pantry. Top floor has one primary suite. There's a half bath here. And here's our primary. Once again, skim ceilings. You got the walk-in closet. And you have a double sink. A really beautiful tub. Excuse me. Beautiful shower. Nice tile floor. There's a fireplace here and all the nice windows, giving it lots of light. So fireplace here in the master and a second one here in the living room. Wow, great view. So let's go downstairs. We do have direct access to a 2-car garage, and there is an EDT alarm on the property. This is like a double primary, so this duplicates the room upstairs. So it has the double sink in here, and then a 3/4 bath and a walk-in closet. This room's carpet. The top floor is also carpet. This has access to the rear yard. We have laundry here in this area. And then you have a full tub in here. Big, big tub. And 2 other bedrooms. Good sized rooms. We have access to the yard. We have air conditioning and a couple fruit trees. So this is a really neat spot, and I'll take you out to the other spot. So this is a beautiful park area here where you can walk your dog, and then the pool and the paddle tennis courts are right on the other side of this walkway here. Great complex. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'm happy to help. What a beautiful place to live and enjoy all the various amenities the place has to offer, as well as hiking. There's tons of hiking on the other side of the street or down along the cliffs. Really beautiful spot. I grew up here, and I'd be happy to share with you more about the area anytime. Just give me a call. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.